Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the equalizer that controls your active output, app, system, or external DSP. Set master gain to 0 dB so you won't clip when boosting bands. Once chosen, load a baseline preset like flat or vocal clarity. This gives you a neutral reference. Use a familiar test track and listen for balance. Make one small change at a time to a single band so you can hear cause and effect, and make sure to note settings as you go. Now you refine individual bands. For bass, sweep 2250 Hz and boost or cut 36 dB to add punch without muddiness. Use a wide cue for musical changes. Next, target 250 Hz to 4K Hz for vocal and instrument definition. Use a narrow cue to notch out honk or boxiness and a gentle boost for presence. Finally, shape 4K Hz to 20K Hz with shelving for brightness and air, but avoid harshness. Throughout, /B your changes to hear real improvement. Finish by balancing perceived loudness. Compare your ECT output to a reference and trim master gain so levels match. Once done, add a limiter or light compression to tame peaks introduced by boosts. Make sure to test with multiple genres and playback devices to ensure consistency. If you hear distortion or pumping, reduce the largest boosts first, lower overall gain, and verify signal routing for double gain stages. Finally, save multiple presets labeled by use case so you can recall successful settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.